Notion was already the source of truth of everything, but what custom agents brings is the ability to take action directly on that source of truth. As an organization grows, information travels more slowly. What the agent has helped me be able to do is have an agent that's constantly looking through all the different channels and telling me what I need to know.
I think the things that I'm trying to improve or automate are the manual, the rote work, the sort of logistics, operational burdens of things that we either need to do or we want to do.
Oftentimes during an incident, it's actually really hard to keep track of all the different things that are happening. We realize that the agents can do a better job than ourselves when it comes to understanding what the root cause is and what the best corrective actions are. But with custom agents, we're able to do a lot of that repetitive heavy lifting.
My favorite agent is actually this meeting recorder, meeting follow-up agent that I have. I have a database of every meeting that I summarize, and then the Notion agent actually goes in and it categorizes the meeting by my custom logic and criteria. For all meetings, I want action items and I want them flowing through to a single database, and the custom agent being able to actually classify and then distinguish what each of the use cases are going to be is incredibly helpful.
My favorite agent is called the Morning Briefer. And what it does is it gives me everything I need to know to start the day. Things that are happening across engineering, upcoming feature launches I should be aware of. People are often surprised about the amount of context that I have, and it's because I have this agent that's always looking out for me.
It's hard to quantify exactly how much time has been saved, probably hours cumulatively every week of everyone's time, but probably the bigger piece for me is what it unlocks. So new capabilities, things that you weren't doing before that actually foster creativity.